My name is Subhash. I am part of a national training brand called as LIVEWIRE, which is a division of CAT Center. I'm heading two brands in Bangalore as well as one in Davangere. Um, at this moment, I have only one advice to all of you: stay home, do not move out. That's very, very important. Okay. Now, the other question that we all have to answer is what will happen after all this lockdown period? Currently, it is set up to April 14th. It can go beyond 1 month or 2 months. Who knows what's going to happen to us, what's going to happen to everyone, going to happen to colleges, businesses, all small industries. No one has a clue. Should we just sit at home thinking about it, worrying about it? No. I think every individual, you, me, and everyone should use this time as effective as possible, as productive as possible, to help you learn something during this lockdown period, learn something new. We have come up with a lot of online classes. All you have to do is sit at home, connect to internet, listen to our instructors who will be teaching you online, and this is going to be very cost effective. We don't want to put a strong burden on people who are currently stuck at home. Okay, but definitely we cannot do it free as well. There is some cost that comes to us for running a class on online, and that will be very, very nominal. The most important thing you have to worry about right now is, by the time this lockdown period is over, what you have done during this few weeks or months. Have you learned something new so that you go completely fresh into the world and ready for new challenges? Or do you just want to go back as you were before this lockdown started? Answer is with you. You have to answer it. We are here to support you. So please look out for any online trainings that are coming in your interest, your passion, or your domain, and make sure you go through it and learn it. Use this time as effective as possible. Make it productive. Make it count in your life. This is one of the major changes that's happening in the world. The world has never seen it, but we will survive and we will use it, and we will come out with more skills to take up more challenges. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.